found a little kid that eats everything, even socks. His name, Dragan Asling. A real kid that eats socks. Let's put a demonstration. I have a nice, stinky sock just for Dragan. Do you want to eat, Dragan? Yes, okay. We're gonna cut this part because the kid are gonna. Don't do that on camera. Kids are gonna do that at home. You want my other one too? You could keep for dessert.